What's good, ladies? So I am going to show you how I removed these beautiful kinky straight tape-ins that I installed in my hair last year. If you want to see that video, definitely check it out. So I found this really easy solution liquid that takes out the tape-ins from Amazon. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Super easy and non-damaging for the hair, no pull out. So definitely stick around. So this is just a quick mini update showing you how the hair looks after 2 weeks of wear. When I installed it, I believe it was like September 28th or 29th. And then when I removed it, which is this video, it was October 12th. So 2 weeks of wear, and it still is holding up pretty good, and it looks really, really nice. Now you're watching this video here in January, your girl be backed up, okay? Somebody specifically requested this video, so I did record it. I just never got a chance to edit it. So here I am today. So I did do a little shopping on Amazon, and I found this really cool solution, which is perfect for removing your tape-ins. I think it's specifically for tape-ins and maybe some other type of glue or adhesive for the hair. I use only half the bottle, y'all, but it's really easy to use. You just take the nozzle and put them in the tape-ins and they come out. So I did take one out already off camera to see like how it's going to work, and it's really easy. So what you have to do is just basically take that solution, and you want to saturate in between the tape-ins so they can separate. Now, if you feel like you have to tug at it too much and it's not peeling apart easily, then you want to go ahead and add some more solution. The solution makes the tape like really slippery, and in a way so it just slips right out without actually pulling and damaging your hair. So like I said, you want to make sure you saturate the tape really, really nice, and it should just slip right out. If it's not slipping right out, then you need to add some more. If you know, depending on how tight the tape-ins are, you might have to keep going back and adding more like you saw me do, because the liquid needs to start seeping in between the tape-ins, okay? Not on top, not on the bottom. You want it to seep inside of them. So what I found was the easiest process, or the quickest process, was to go ahead and take the solution and try to squeeze them in between a few of the tape ends at a time. So that way, when I work my way around the head and come back to the front, they can already start to seep and drip into the cracks and crevices. So that way it can start to separate. I like to take my fingers and just like move it around a little bit to help the liquid kind of drench into the tape ends, and it's really straightforward. The solution is really, really good. So it also helps with the buildup of the extra tape that might be left in your hair afterwards. And I found once I removed all of the tape ends, you know, you will feel a little bit of stickiness in your hair. You can definitely go in and massage the liquid that's already in your hair and just comb it through, or you can just add a little bit more solution. But I didn't have any problems like you would with, like, you know, like hair bonding glue, the glue that we use for tracks and stuff like that. Definitely a big difference. You don't get that gunky buildup or anything like that. Not with this type of tape, and definitely not with this remover solution. So I didn't have any issues like that. Once I washed my hair with some warm water and soap and conditioner and all of that stuff, everything was out. So I didn't have any issues. I didn't have to do any excessive crazy combing. And as you can see, no hair is left on that tape, y'all. No hair at all. So it did not damage or pull out my hair. I highly and definitely recommend using this solution. I haven't tried any other solution before, so I'm going to recommend what I know. It worked for me, y'all. And as you can see, there is no hair on the taping at all. So it didn't pull out anything. And after I removed all of them, I went ahead and I just combed my hair out, and there was a little bit of hair that came out afterwards. This is like 2 weeks. So that's 2 weeks of hair that I have, which is really not a lot at all. So damage free. Okay. We doing something. All right, y'all. So that's basically how you remove it. It's really nothing to it. It's really fairly simple. I already told y'all from the beginning. So of course, the direct link to this product is on my Amazon storefront, but I will also link it in the description box so you could click it and get it. I do recommend recommended product. I think it was really easy to work with, and it does have a smell. For those of you, you know, who are sensitive, it smells very common to like acetone, but it's not as dry as acetone. It does have some kind of oil or serum in it, maybe alcohol oil mix or blend. I don't know. Okay, I'm not a chemist. I'm just telling you what I've experienced. So that is it. I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I hope this was super helpful for someone, so you don't have to think too hard if you get tape-ins. But I'm gonna close this video out. I will see y'all later. I will holla. Bye.